Good morning, everyone. It's Friday, February the 4th, and I just want to do a short video here with the Terry Fox statue, the Terry Fox monument here, that at times people can say what they can say and not be true, you know, just to get things riled up. Actually, the people who are listening to mainstream media would actually be thinking all that they're thinking and speculating and bringing into play, you know, misinformation. And this kind of speculation can get, any speculation can get things kind of going. So I wanted to make sure that while I'm in here in Ottawa, and you can see the truckers here, the truckers, they have plenty of food, actually, ladies and gentlemen. They have plenty of food here. There's a truck stop just outside of Ottawa. Again, this is the Terry Fox statue, memorial statue, perfectly fine. And in fact, what you can see is they have laid flowers all underneath here. And I can also tell you that the truckers are doing shoveling around the trucks. They're doing that. The truckers and people here are picking up garbage. They have these stops here. They have food set up, and anybody can take the food. And every half hour, the trucks lay on their horns. They stop around 7 o'clock at night, so they're not disturbing. They've been asked, so they've been very, very good and very respectful, very friendly. I've given several truck drivers hugs, signed their cabs. They've been got the markers out. It is really, really cold out here, but there's an emergency lane, just like they say, an emergency lane around all of the various roads that they're at. But again, as you can see, there is nothing wrong with the Terry Fox statue. There is nothing going on like that at all. I'm just going to show you. There's the Parliament building. So out in front there are a number of truckers, and what we've been told by the truckers, there's a number of truckers are coming in. Hi Howard. Hi Pauline. There's a number of truckers that are on the highway. They're going to be escorted in today. There's others coming. They are spread out all over the city. The trucks are in seem like groups. And over there, straight ahead, you can see there is one emergency lane open, but there's actually 5 trucks lined up there. And when they get going with their horns on the hour, yeah, horns sound from 8 to 8 p.m. Okay, on the hour and half hour. Thanks, Howard. So you're just going to hear a symphony. A symphony. I don't think it's a symbol of anything. So got lots of great pictures of signs. Signs are everywhere. And that's the boom truck right there is where they've had set up. They've had a big flag up there, and this is where they've had the stage where people have gotten up and spoken, sung songs, and people are dancing. A lot of fun down here. People are appreciative coming in during the week, but this Saturday is supposed to be Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Thousands of people are coming in. Big whoopla here in Ottawa. At least the hotels that people have said to us are sold out. There's going to be a lot of people coming in for the day. A lot of people coming in and staying. The truckers are mostly staying in, from what I could gather, hotels, B&Bs, people's homes. Some are staying in their cabs, but they're trying to conserve energy. Some have generators. We met a guy that has a generator. And others are, you know, there's support. There's jerry cans coming in. You can see them. Yesterday we saw the jerry cans come in. They're filling up the trucks. And there's trucks of all sizes. They are not just big trucks. And interestingly enough, they're not just the cabs of the trucks either. Some of these trucks, they have, looks like they're hauling grain. The trailers are attached. Some have cars. There's one truck that had a bunch of lumber. Still, they had the trailer with the logs and lumber. So you get all kinds of trucks here. It's just awesome. The energy is great. Truckers will even say that they've shed plenty of tears. Yesterday, Queen Romana came. I know not too many people. A number of people do know who she is, but a number of people don't know. And I hope to come on board and share a little bit more. But again, discerning is important, and this is as any information, good to be aware. Good to be aware. So I'm going to sign off. I put my gloves on, thank goodness, but it's winter. It's cold. It's beautiful. It's bright snower. But the truckers are wonderful, and we have people from coast to coast here. We just chatted with somebody with a truck from Newfoundland. He's got 4 kids, so you think about it. He's left his 4 kids back at home with his wife. And they'll be here until they need to be here. End of story. All the truckers, same message. The Symphony of Horns. It's Ottawa, Canada. They have started off a worldwide convoy move. Awesome to hear. Yeah, it's just wonderful, people. I mean, not everybody can be here, but with all the videos and footage going on, it's going to be like you're going to be here. And they know that there's a lot of heart. You know, the people across Canada, not everybody can be here, but they know. They know they've got a lot of support. And they are feeling the support. They have so much food, so much food. Donations are coming in for rooms, for stay, for gas. So they feel it. They're good. Other than that, okay, ladies, say hello. 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 These are my trucking buddies there. It is nippy, but hey, we can do it. We can do it. The cold is not going to stop us. The cold is not stopping the truckers. They figured it out. They are doing it. They are doing it. So, hello everyone. Hello. Yeah, welcome. I mean, you're seeing Ottawa. You're seeing Ottawa right down in front of the Parliament building. There's a number of trucks, but they are all over the city. All over the city. And as you can see, the statue of Terry Fox Memorial statue is just fine. Just fine. Everything is fine here. The cops say everybody's great, respectful, peaceful. They say hello. You're walking around. The cops are great. The police are great. Security. Everybody is just here for freedom. I mean, they're here for everyone. They've made that clear. This is not just for them anymore. It's evolved. It's morphed into the freedom for all. And that's what they are willing to stay here. They're willing to stay here until that is achieved. So, high fives, everyone. Enjoy your day. And way to go, truckers.